Hello students, we are going to discuss about the oligosaccharide and polysaccharide of the carbohydrates. So students, we all know that the oligosaccharide is a oligosaccharide is a carbohydrate units made up of the 2 to 10 molecules of the sugar molecules, and for examples of that is the ribose, stachyose and raffinose. These all sugar molecules is made up of 2 to 10 sugar molecules. Now we are coming to the polysaccharides. Polysaccharide is made up of more than 10 molecules and a long molecular carbohydrate chain made up by the polysaccharide. So it is again divided into the two parts, that is the homopolysaccharide and heteropolysaccharide. The polysaccharide which is made up of single type of the single repetition unit of the sugar molecules is known as the homopolysaccharides. For examples, starch, it having the 1,4 alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage in a linear branch and beta 1,6 in a branching point. Second one is the glycogen. Third one is the cellulose. Fourth one is the dextrin. Fifth one is the dextron. Next, chitin and inulin. So it is the storage form of the animal, and now this is the storage. Starch is made up of amino, glycans and amylases. Whether the glycogen is made up of the repetition unit of the sugar glucose molecules. Again, cellulose is also a multiple monomer copy of the monosaccharides. Then it is a storage form of the animals, and cellulose, there is no enzymes for the digestion in the human being, so that it can utilize as a dietary fibers. Again, dextrin is a short form of a hydrolysis form of the starch. Then dextron is a plasma expander. It's a plasma expander. And chitin is a cytoskeleton of insects. Again, inulin is a multiple copy of the fructose unit and utilized in a GFR. So, students, these all are about the homopolysaccharide which have the different functions in different organisms. Now we are coming to the heteropolysaccharide. The polysaccharide which is made up of different type of the carbohydrate unit in a repetition with other group, that is the heteropolysaccharide. For examples, agar, agarose, hyaluronic acid, heparin, chondroitin sulfate, dermatan sulfate, sulfate. So these are are the examples of the heteropolysaccharide. Again, heparin and hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, dermatan sulfate, all is also known as the glycoaminoglycans. Basically, polysaccharide is a mucopolysaccharide, and these all are having the different functions. They are having the functions of the as a coagulant agent, solidifying agent, and agarose is again used as the coagulant agent, and these all are act as the glycoaminoglycans, which is act as the mucopolysaccharides. And shock absorbent, chondroitin sulfate is also act as a shock absorbent. So about the functions of the carbohydrate, we are going to discuss like according to the name of the carbohydrate, like glucose having act as the energy source for the brains and RBC, and then lactose is act as a milk sugar, sucrose is act as a table sugars, and again the starch is act as the storage form of the plant. This is the storage form of the animals, this is the dietary fibers, and these all are discussed during the lectures. So these all are about the polysaccharides. So thank you so much, students.